The question says the area of the rectangle is given as 60 centimeters square. Find the length of its diagonal. This is a rectangle, okay? So this is the diagonal line. A diagonal line links an angle to the opposite angle, okay? So for this rectangle, the total area equals 60 centimeters square, and we are given one of the dimension, which is the length, okay? And we have to figure out the diagonal of this rectangle. Given these four alternatives, we have A to be 13 centimeter, B to be 14, C to be 16, 5 to be, D to be 5 centimeters. So we have to pick one out of it. So how do we go about this solution? Okay, so normally we know that the area of the rectangle is given as length times breadth, the width, okay? And when we look at this question, we are given the total area, which is 60 centimeters square, which is this 60 centimeters square equals, we are given the length to be 12 centimeter times, we are not given the width. So we have to figure out the width. Okay, so how do we do that? We need to divide both sides by 12, okay? So we divide this by 12, we divide this by 12 centimeter, okay? So we have our width, this can go, 12 is 60, that is 5 centimeter for the width. But we have to figure out the length of the diagonal, which is this, okay? So let us assume the dimension here is A, okay? So how do we get this? So what we do is that we have to use Pythagoras rule to figure out this. Since we have gotten our length to be 5 centimeter, our width to be 5 centimeter, okay? So we can use Pythagoras theorem, okay, to figure out this. Okay, so in this we are having a right angle triangle, okay, which is this, and the longest side here, which is A, which is the length of the diagonal. We assume this is the hypotenuse, okay. Okay, this is the opposite, and this one is the adjacent. So to get this now, we have to find the square of this side, sum it up and look for the square root to get this length of the diagonal. So we say A square equals 5 centimeters square plus 12 centimeters square. So 5 centimeters square is saying 5 times 5 centimeter, okay, plus 12 centimeters square is saying 12 times 12 centimeter. So from here, 5 times 5 is 25 centimeter, okay, plus 12 times 12 is 144 centimeter. So when we add up this, we have 169 centimeter square. Okay, so to now get what A stands for, we look for the square root of 169, which is 13 centimeter. So from these four options given to us, this is the best answer, which is the length of its diagonal.